I want to talk about how to have a healthier mindset when it comes to NoFap, quitting porn, quitting masturbation. Now, the secret here is to treat yourself kind and with unlimited love and compassion. But what does that mean? Well, what that means is most people struggle to get past a day, 2 days, and they beat themselves up and they punish themselves and they guilt themselves and they stress themselves out that they can't do it, they're a failure. And there's a lot of harshness and self-criticism and guilt. And when that happens and you start to think that way, it creates more stress. And the more stress you feel, the more cortisol is released. The more cortisol is released, the more cravings you have because your brain wants to seek out something pleasurable to feel better and clear out those stress hormones. So the healthy way to approach this without releasing stress and beating yourselves up is to approach it the same way you would if you were to work out at the gym. Now, what does that mean? Basically, when you go to the gym, if it was your first time going to the gym, maybe you've been going for a few weeks, and you weigh about 120 pounds, let's say, and you go to the gym and you see everybody around you and you're like, oh, I want to lift 300 pounds on the bench. And you try to lift 300 pounds on the bench. Now, what happens? You drop the weight and it like snaps your neck off, right? No, but basically you can't lift 300 pounds your second week at the gym or even your second day at the gym. You got to work for years at building your strength up, building your resilience up, and you just train every single time you can to get stronger. That is the healthy way to deal with quitting porn and deal with quitting fat, is take a little pressure off yourself. Don't expect to hit a 30-day, 60-day, 1 year, forever streak. Quitting porn, quitting fat is like saying I'm gonna lift 400 pounds my first day at the gym. I mean, it's just not realistic for most people. Now, taking that into account, what I like to think about when it comes to NoFap is this is a gift from the universe. NoFap is an absolute gift that you can turn on and off as you please. So it's not something negative. It's something very positive. It's here to fuel you. Streaks and, as much as they're awesome and a metric is great to measure where you are and where you want to go, and I love metrics, I think a lot of people get caught up on the importance of streaks and their self-worth is entangled in streaks or some number that's just not really important. What's important is that you understand that NoFap has benefits. Quitting porn has tremendous benefits. And if you can tap into that, even for a day, that's excellent. It's awesome. It's a cherry on top of your already beautiful life, your beautiful soul on this planet. You're worthy. You're amazing. So have that love-based, inspired desire to practice NoFap and do your next streak. Go for 3 days. Amazing. You're going to see tons of benefits. You're going to love it. Go for 30 days. It's going to be an insane reboot. You're going to absolutely crush it. But it doesn't really define you, and you're not defined by your streak. You're still an amazing human being even if you can't get past a couple of days. You're trying. That's what matters. The fact that you're even accepting the gift the universe wants to give you, which is the NoFap and the benefits that come with it, that alone is enough, you're worthy. You've already succeeded. You're just on this track. Most people aren't. Most people are unconscious. They're sleeping. They're just consuming everything around them without any reason. But you've broken free from that. You're aware that you want to make a change in your life. That's amazing, right? So treating NoFap as a positive experience, that is the key. It's something good for you. It's something you could turn on and off whenever you want. You're not tied to it. You're not tied to some streak. You're just doing the best you can and you want to take advantage of the benefits of it. And that's fine. You can do that at your own pace. So don't beat yourself up. Don't guilt yourself. Don't shame yourself. Don't create that downward spiral. Instead, go for an upward spiral. NoFap is positive. NoFap is awesome. It's a gift. Can't wait to tap into this today. I have goals in my life that I want to achieve. NoFap's going to help me get there faster. I'll get there anyway, but NoFap's going to help push me and give me the unfair advantage. Wow, what a gift. Can't wait to try it, right? That's the kind of self-talk I have. Let go of the numbers, take it day by day. It's not a competition. It's not a battle of your ego. You're not amazing if you do a 30-day streak. Everybody is normal. Everybody is awesome. But some people get the edge and take advantage of it, like myself. I love NoFap. It is incredible when you experience the gift that it is. You just want to do streaks all the time. It's not a negative experience. That's the mindset shift. That's a healthier way to go about this to help you get longer streaks. All right. So I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, comment below. Happy to help. And I look forward to the next video. Talk soon.